Everyone, this is Gable Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Ash Rave compilation. So I won't take it longer. Let's start this reaction video. Ano ba sa Ash Rave? Sa Pigos, choice talaga. Ay, Maya talaga si Dave. Totoo, ganda ni Ashley. Pala talaga siya si Taylor Swift. Alam mo, endgame na talaga yan, ma'am. Huwag na tayong umasa na aamin sila. What you see is what you get. Ano yung, ano nila? Ano yung awards nila, ma'am? Ang ganda ng background music, ah. Julian San Jose. You belong together. Oo, belong talaga sila. Belong talaga sila sa each other. Saan dalahin? Saan dalahin? Kasi belong talaga sila sa each other. Ganun. Anyway, ay ito na. Bakit parang bagong kasal yung atake nila? Ang atake nila is bagong kasal for today's video. Ashraf. Tsaka yung smile nila, napaka-genuine, no? In front of camera. Super, parang alam mo yung pag mag-lock yung mga mata nila, parang wala na sila nakikita iba, kundi silang dalawa na lang. Na para bang ang dami talaga siya. Diba? Saan katulad mo ay di na dapat pa kakawalan. Pangakating tayo, hindi na ay pa together, always and forever. Bilong talaga nga ni. Eh, wait lang. May picture. Oo, wala. Parang bagong kasal talaga sila. So, saan dalahin? Julian, sana ang kanilang ano? Thank you for using, what do you call this? Julian San Jose's track. I love it. Ay, ito na. Ay, Ashley. Ano kasi yung speech? Sige pa rin nalilipin ba kasi yung speech?
Yung black. Kuya Kenneth, thank you.
I wanna make you.
This is so cute. This is Ashley. Sorry.
Cause all of the small things that you do are what remind me what I felt for you.
Ang po ni Ring. Parang si Rave talaga. Feeling ko alam mo. Alam mo, feeling ko lang. Feeling ko talaga itong si Rave nagpapababy palagi kay Ashley. Totoo lang. Papababy talaga to. Suffer. Suffer. Nagpapababy talaga to for sure. Baby boy siya eh. Alam mo yun? Baby boy siya.
When you call me at night while you're out getting high with your friends.
Parang nagiging magkamukha na talaga sila. Hindi naman ginita si Ashley, pero bakit parang nagkakamukha na sila? Okay. She's like, ano yung supporting actress. Okay. Okay. Actually, hindi nga natin na-utilize yung ano nila, yung fan meeting. Ay, ito. Tingnan natin ito.
Kaso yung letter lang yung gusto mong ipawala.
Ay, ito. Yung inaasal mo rin si Ashley. Ito talaga yun nga.
Di naman! Okay! Nagip
Okay.
mo ba yun?
Ito ata yung inaasam niya. Tama ba? Tingnan mo, usap sila. Ano yung usap nila? Oh, parang wala naman talagang bukas.
Hindi siya sa joke, parang naisip ko, baka may sakit.
Ayan siya. Ayan siya. Ashley Sarmiento. Sandaan dalahen.
So, umiwas ka talaga. Nasaktan ako. Tapos yung pag-iisang, hinahanap natin yung protection. Minsan hinahanap ko. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Okay. Ay? Anyways. Ay, ito. Proud na proud. As a proud boyfriend. As a proud boyfriend, ito na may speech na sila.
This means a lot to me po talaga. And I also want to thank my Sparkle GMA artists and their family, Miss Nanette, Miss Joy, and my Akasari family as well. Kuya Benj, and Ada, and Leon, and Dom, and to everybody who guided me for this role. And to all my supporters, and of course, my mom. I'm really thankful. And of course, thank you, Papa God, for this blessing. And I'm just really happy to receive this award. Thank you. Who has recently made a remarkable impression to all viewers. This category honors a fresh talent who has shown natural charisma and strong
Galing mo sa in fairness, full of substance din siya, ha? Ay, si Caprice. Ano ito niyo pala si Caprice? Gwapo ni Rio. Parang feeling ko talaga, papang-baby talaga. Papang-baby talaga.
Once again, congratulations to Lenny.
I wanna be alone. Oh, they're just so happy. They're just a baby na nagmamahal. Wow. Anyways, so this is it for today's video from Asher. This is Kijimo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.